Identification of aflatoxins and ochratoxin in selected imported pet food. The current study was conducted to analyze the aflatoxins, that is AFB1, AFB2, AFG1, AFG2, and ochratoxin A, ODA, in imported pet food. A total of 510 commercially available imported pet food samples of cat, solid equals 240, semi-solid equals 90, and dog, solid equals 150, semi-solid equals 30, were collected from retailers and analyzed by chromatographic technique, that is HPLC. Results revealed 45.83%, mean, 3.90 parts per billion, and 18%, mean, 4.83 parts per billion, of AFB1 incidence in solid pet foods of cats and dogs, respectively. However, lower levels, that is 8.88%, mean, 4.60 parts per billion, and 6.66%, mean, 2.80 parts per billion, of AFB1 were observed for semi-solid food samples of cat and dog, respectively. Aflatoxin B2 was found in solid cat food only with an incidence of 12.5%, mean, 0.89 parts per billion. About 35.33%, mean, 4.5 parts per billion, and 26.66%, mean, 2 parts per billion, of ODA were observed in solid and semi-solid dog foods respectively. Similarly, the trend of ODA in cat foods was 15%, mean, 3.87 parts per billion, and 13.13%, mean, 1.0 parts per billion, for solid and semi-solid foods. Furthermore, co-contamination of AF and ODA were observed in 33.33% and 41.60% samples of dog and cat foods, respectively. It was concluded that natural incidence of mean contaminations was below than European Commission, ECI, legislation, that is 20 parts per billion and 10 parts per billion for F and ODA, respectively. However, co-occurrence of mycotoxins in pet food may exert synergistic deleterious effects even at levels far below the regulatory limits.